Hey kids, Mr. Chester here. Today we're going to read a book, and it's a book you know called Pete the Cat, I Love My White Shoes. It's by Eric Litwin, and the art is by James Dean. It comes with a song, and I believe we all know the song because we've done it in school. So here we go. One more thing. Since I need some help on this reading and singing, and you're not here with me, I asked a friend to come and help. His name is Tex. Hey Tex, can you come over here?
Oh, hi. What are we going to do?
Well, we're going to read and sing Pete the Cat. Are you okay with that, Tex?
You bet. Let's do it.
Before we start, could you just tell the kids where you're from?
Well, sure. I'm from Texas.
Well, how did you end up here in New Jersey?
Well, I was on my way to see the Baltimore Orioles. See that thing on my hat? That's a bird. It's an Oriole.
That's right, the baseball team.
Correct. But I took a wrong turn on that highway they call I-95, and I ended up here in New Jersey.
Well, I'm glad you're here. Are you ready to read the book?
I already told you I was.
All right, so let's get started. Pete the Cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much, he sang this song. 1, 2, 3, 4. I love my white shoes. 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 Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of
Strawberries.
What color did it turn his shoes, Tex?
Red.
Did Pete cry?
Goodness, no. He kept on walking along and singing his
Here
song.
we go again. 2, 3, 4. I love my red shoes. 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 Oh no! He stepped in a large pile of
Blueberries.
What color did it turn his shoes, Tex?
Blue.
Did Pete cry?
Goodness, no. He kept on walking along and singing his song.
3, 4. I love my blue shoes. 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 Oh no! Pete stepped in a large puddle of
Mud.
Tex, what color did it turn his shoes?
Brown.
Did Pete cry?
Goodness, no. He kept on walking along and singing his song.
I love my brown shoes. 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 Oh no! Pete stepped in a bucket of water, and all the brown, and all the blue, and all the red were washed away. What color, Tex, were his shoes again?
White. Wet.
Did Pete cry, Tex?
Goodness, no. He kept on walking along and singing his song.
2, 3, 4. I love my wet shoes. 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 All right, Tex, here we go. The moral of Pete's story is
No matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song, 'cause it's all good.